Hi everyone. So today is Kian's birthday. Kiara says hi. He's turning 17 and Kiara's going to bake a cake for him. It is a very easy chocolate cake that you bake in the microwave. And we've put out the stuff that we're going to use. And later on I'll put the recipe in the comments or attach a link. So Kiara's going to start now. All right, Kiara, what we're going to do now?
First, we are going to put flour into the mixing bowl, and then we are going to put sugar in. So let's start. First, you need to get 1 cup, the blue one, and then a mixing bowl, like this one.
Okay.
And then we must get the flour so that we can put it in here, and we must not forget to sift the flour. Take a mixing thingy and then you must mix it very well, otherwise you'll get
Clumps.
So as you can see, I am mixing the cocoa with the warm water like this very well.
Okay. And now what?
Now we are going to put
The
2
eggs.
eggs.
Okay.
2 eggs,
Yes.
remember? And mix it very well. Otherwise, you'll get scrambled eggs in your cake. You must pour it very, very well.
Okay. Tap it so it comes out. There you go.
Make sure everything that's in this bowl is into the wet one.
Okay. Now you mix it again.
We can mix it. Make sure there's no clumps. Last 2 ingredients is this.
The oil.
The oil.
Okay.
And
How much oil?
We must put 1 tablespoon of oil, and then we can put the vanilla in, because vanilla is also very, very delicious.
Okay. Oil.
Check.
Okay.
Oil is in.
And then you mix it a bit, and then how much vanilla essence?
1 teaspoon.
A teaspoon. Okay, you can put that in.
It must look like this.
All right.
Now we can pour
it in.
into the dish. Make sure every single corner is filled with
It will fill
glitter.
because it's runny. So now you need to put it in the microwave.
Now
And you're sure it's only 7 minutes?
only 7
I want to see.
Not 10, not less, not
Oh
more.
wow, only 7 minutes. It says there 7 minutes. Right. Okay. I'll open the door for you.
Thank you very much.
Okay. See? Okay.
So then you put it into the microwave.
Now put it on 7 minutes.
7 minutes. And
Oopsie, not
Oh,
70.
7 minutes.
Yeah.
It must
Right.
say
7. Okay, start.
2 dots and 2 zeros.
Okay, that
And
one
then
is
start.
Okay, so what are we going to do now while we're waiting for the
Now
cake?
we are waiting
You gonna-
for the cake.
And you're gonna
to-
clean up here. Or what?
I
Okay.
need to clean up. We
Okay.
don't want to make the frosting in such a mess.
Okay, great. Okay, so the cake is still baking. Let's see how many minutes are left. 3 minutes, just over 3 minutes. And We took some caramel and this. It's quite expensive, but you don't need to put it on. Alright, so that's the end of the cake. Let's see. I hope it's right. Nice. Now I tasted it. It's very sweet, but very nice.
Very, very sweet.
Okay, so pour it on, please.
Now we will pour it on. Yes.
Okay, so the cake is nice and warm. So we'll leave it to soak in. And then a little bit later, about an hour or two, we will come back and we will put the rest of the decorations on. Okay, so we're back. My daughter isn't here right now, so I thought I'd just finish the cake quickly. So I've put a little bit more caramel topping on top, and then I cut the chocolates in little slithers and I put them on top. And then I'm just gonna finish up with a few decorations and then show you the final result. Remember to give us a thumbs up and like our page. Please subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And see you next time.